What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are playing Tap Tap Viking because we played Redfirebro at Saturday. I didn't get to make a video at Sunday, like one video, because I went to church and there was a party. But we are playing this. I was not sure if I could make a video today because I went to a water park, but it's fine. Power level 60. Ba 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 ba. As usual, I've got a timer. Let's just put my tablet down. Okay, so very weird. Click to power. Boom, 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 boom. Let's try. $400. Okay, no way. There's no way that we're gonna break that thing. No way. Ooh, what's this? Take. I accidentally pressed done. I really want to do the gold above. So we need just break 300 bamboos. I want to break some of these because it will give us 2. Wait, what? Once you reach 1,000, it goes 1,000. It goes in thousands, so that's annoying, but lumber. I'm gonna see what was our last Tap Tap Viking video called Redfirebro. Let's go. The bamboo, yes, the bamboo challenge. So let's go back and put the timer on. Well, the timer's still on, it's just, you know, I had to go on YouTube. I'll try and figure out how to make Roblox videos again, or if I might just get a PC. Simple. But we are destroying these like crazy, which is absolutely good. I went to Five Guys. That new restaurant Five Guys is really good. I might be able to sponsor something, but I don't know. I can't think of a game that I'm not playing right now. 4 more minutes left. Need 1 million. Very strong. That is a lot. And that's good. Next one, 122, and it's going to be, I believe, 183. Yes. Math. I nearly fell on my chair. The music's so peaceful, like Infinity Tree. I'm trying to stand this up. Destroyed. I love this game. These are some of my favourite games I've on this channel, like Food Fighter Clicker and Infinity Tree. Not really Top Ball. Drop and Smash, not really, just because there's lots of ads and you can't play with Wi-Fi off, which is just the annoying thing. Let's get back to shopping. Oof. Guys, leave in the comments down below if you want to be a ninja, because chopping stuff with your hand is kind of like a ninja, right? I still nearly there. The gold bar is easy now, like very easy. Let's just, yeah, I'm just gonna get that. So we got 60, level 60. That's really good. I still can't believe that, yeah. I still can't believe that. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000. 2000. That's very bad. Well, it's not bad, it's just annoying. But guys, I think we should wrap up this video. Remember guys, like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any videos. Comment if the comments are on, and share if you want. Please share because I need more subs. I just got 1 subscriber yesterday, and let me tell you something, that is one of my friends. But I've got a TikTok called Redfirebro. I make a TikTok every Sunday. If I don't make a TikTok, I don't know what to make. And yeah, I didn't get time to make a TikTok. And I also forgot. But please follow my TikTok and like. And I will see you in the next video. I love you. Goodbye. Peace out.